9 toys. I don't know where any of them's mint condition. It looked like the kid might have been a little rough. Who knows what'll come in here to bring them. Here's what you got. You got a John Deere manure spreader. These are metal, by the way. You've got 2 John Deere Balers, probably 336s. You got a John Deere mower conditioner. Looked like a 7,000 planter, 4-row. You got like a 230, you got a John Deere disc. You got 275 MASSEY Ferguson. You got the front half of a 4-wheel drive John Deere tractor. You got a 50, look like 50-20 here with 1 car. Guys, these are metal. I don't know about toys, but metal toys, I don't think they make them anymore. And I'm not into toys, but the gentleman, once these sold,